Hey guys, Namaskara. Welcome to Proud Indian Europe Diaries. If you are new here and watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel because every week I will make new videos related to European countries. And if you want to come here and if you want to search for a job, or if you are already in India or some other countries, if you want to search for a job in European countries from your own country, then you can have a look into my channel, and it will be very useful for the people who are looking for jobs or any other opportunities. And if you want to settle in abroad like European countries, it will be very useful. Please do subscribe. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, let's start today's topic without any further delay. What is today's topic? Today's topic is how to start business in Portugal. Okay, and how can you travel to Portugal and what kind of business you can do, and related to those things we are going to talk today. Okay, yeah. The first, we have to know little bit about Portugal country. Okay, Portugal country is the oldest country of Schengen. What is Schengen? Schengen I already explained you in my previous video. So please go to that video and have a look if you want to know about Schengen. Okay. And the official language of Portugal is Portuguese. Yeah, but if you know English, you can stay here and you can find job easily and you can start any business if you know English. But if you know Portuguese, then it will be very difficult to talk to the locals. Yeah. Okay. And the currency used is euro. Okay. So now the value of euro is 78 to 80 rupees. Yeah, 1 euro is equal to 78 to 80 Indian rupees. For now, actually daily it will get changed. One day it will be like 85 rupees, 88 rupees, and one day it is like 75 rupees, 78 rupees. It's like it will drastically increase and drastically it will decrease also. Okay, leave about it. The currency used in Portugal is euro. Okay, and the capital of Portugal is Lisbon. Okay, so we will talk about business opportunities now. Okay, how we can open company, and let's start. Okay, why to make late? We are starting business here. For example, you are starting a hotel. Okay, so what is the minimum amount required to start your business here? So there is no any minimum account you have to show to the government. So people will ask what is the minimum budget I should have, that one, this one, and there is no minimum budget like that. So you can have like 5,000 euros to 2 lakh euros also. It depends on the type of business you are going to do. So okay, before starting this business, so if you want to know how to come to the Portugal country first, so okay, let me tell you how to come here first, and later we can talk about how to start a business. Okay, yeah. And you can apply for business visa. If you are in India or any other countries, you can apply for business visa and you can come here. And there, while applying for business visa, you have to show proof of what business you are going to do to the government, and also maintenance funds. What is the maintenance funds, and accommodation details, like where you are going to stay, and also traveling details. Like already I have explained all these things in my previous video, that is related to how to get work visa, like how to get a job, and what is the work visa details for Portugal country. I have already explained this in detail in my previous video. Please, if you are interested, please go to my channel and have a look once. Okay, so that is all about. So you can apply for business visa and you can come here. So once after you come here, what you can do is you just try to what my suggestion is, you just try to get the existing business. Okay, because if you want to start new business, it will be like it is not it is not impossible. You can start, but you will face lot of difficulties, for starting 6 months or till 1 year also you can find some difficulties. If you purchase already existing business, for example hotel, if you want to start a hotel, okay, so if you existing business means, what I mean is, if you want to start a hotel, if you want to start a hotel from scratch, like with your own business, okay, like from scratch, like you have to purchase a flat like that hotel area, and you have to purchase those chairs, tables and utensils, everything related you have to purchase, and it will be more hectic, okay. So what I'll suggest is, you can purchase existing hotel, like it's already, if anybody is selling it, or if anybody like it is if it is any empty hotel, it's already chairs and everything is ready, everything is furnished. If you purchase those kind of things, then it will be easy for you to start straight away. So in this kind also, you may face some difficulties till 3 to 4 months, but it is less compared to that starting from the scratch. So I suggest you to start try to purchase any existing business, so it will be very useful. And it, like in case of hotel thing, and if you are a driver, then you can just come here and you can purchase any places, and you can put any people here, like you have to purchase those cars and scooters or anything, like based on your idea. Like I cannot tell what business you have to do, right? It's all based on your experience and your expertise, and I don't know. So I'm experienced in software engineering, so I can able to do software industry job. So I cannot do some hotel or anything, right? So I cannot tell you like what you have to do. So you have to decide what business you have to do. Just for example, I'm giving you. So it's good to consider any existing business, then it will be very useful. Okay. And the other things you have to consider is you have to learn little bit of Portuguese. Okay, Portuguese language here, because you have to talk to the localites, right? They will be coming to your hotel, or they'll be coming to your car shop or whatever it is. You have to learn little bit of Portuguese. Okay, so everything is ready, you already purchased and everything, like all everything, all the documents registered on in your name, and you have proof of business. So this is the business, for example, if this is the business, hotel business I'm going to do, and so you have to give all this information to government. So once after everything is ready, like everything is ready to start your business. So before starting to your business, so you have to apply for residence card, that is TRC or TRP. So that is the permission you are getting from government to stay in Portuguese. Okay, in Portugal country. TRC, what is TRC and TRP? TRC is temporary residence card and TRP is temporary residence permit. Both are same. They will use two names, like both means same. Okay. So you have to apply for the TRC and TRP. You have to take your passport and this proof for this business and everything. They will be mentioning once you have to book an online appointment. Once you book an online appointment, they will be mentioning what are the things you have to take while going for card application. While going to apply for this one TRC and TRP. Okay, so they will be mentioning everything you have to take. And also now it is pandemic, right? They are asking health certificate also. Yeah, sometimes though. Okay, so health certificate means you have to go to some hospital and you have to take the certificate from doctor that everything is fine, like that. Yeah, that is now. For now it is, but whenever you are coming by, meanwhile there is no pandemic, right? Maybe they will not ask for it. Okay, so you have to, like, you are ready with everything and you applied for TRC and TRP. So after 15 to 20 days or 1 month it will take. Sometime it will take 1 month. Sometime it will come 2 to 3 weeks. Within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. So you will get the TRC card. In that temporary residence card, they will be mentioning like based on your business. And actually before going to approve for this TRC, what government will do is they will look for your business, like what kind of business you are going to do and how it is beneficial for their country, how it is useful, like and how much tax they can get from you. So all the things they will consider about it, like obviously if anybody is coming to our country means they will think about it, right? So those are the things, aspects they will check, and they will do background check, and they will come to your business starting place, and everywhere they will come and they will check. And also they will check maintenance funds also, whether you have sufficient funds to start business. But there is no any restriction like you should have this much, you should have that much, but you should have minimum 5,000 euros. Okay, 5,000 euros to whatever it is, depends on your business. So there is no restriction like you should have this much, you should have that much. No restriction from the government. Okay, that is the thing. And once after that you will receive like everything, all verification will done, and they will give you like if it is positive, then obviously more under in 99% cases everything like it will be positive. So they will give you the TRC, and based on that like they will be mentioning there for example, now this is 2021, right? 2021 February to next 2022 February, like that they will mention expiry date. So every year you have to go to Portugal embassy and you have to renewal your card. Okay, so that is all. Once you receive that card, then you can travel to any country with the help of that card, and you can go anywhere. Okay, so no need to worry about the visa now. So no need to worry about that business visa also. You have that card, so that card will work as visa. So if you want to stay there permanently, if you want to settle there permanently, then you have to apply for permanent residency. Yeah, if you want to know more about permanent residency card and other details about the Portugal country, please let me know, so that mention your opinions in my comment section, so that I will make a video on that. Okay, yeah, if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and please share to your friends. And thank you. Namaskara. Have a nice day.